Peanut butter soup is one of the most popular Ghanaian soups that is being enjoyed with emutu on Sundays. And in today's video, that is what is on our bill of fare. Hello, nice to meet you. This is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we do easy recipes. So please, if you are interested, do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. To start with this, I have my fish here, okay? I have my herrings and I washed it very well with my lemon juice. Now after washing it, I allowed it to be in salt water for about 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I've removed it from it. We would just put it in the oven. I did not remove the scale, and that is how I want it, okay? After it is ready, I'll just remove the scale. Now I have my fresh fish there. I added some pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and then my fish seasoning, the same as the goat meat. The same ingredients I added to the fish, I added the same to the goat meat, but with the goat meat I added some good seasoning and salt as well. Now I have my peanut butter here. I will just go ahead and then add my tomato paste and then mix it very well so I get what I want. Okay, so that is the tomato paste I've added. Just a tablespoon is okay, but if you want to add more, you can go ahead and add more, but a tablespoon is okay for me. So I will mix it very well, and when I get to how I want it, we will continue. Now this is how it is looking, and that is the perfect perfect way I want it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and then add my water to it, mix it very well, and then we will continue. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. On Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, we upload detailed short recipes. Okay, you will love it. Now this is how the peanut butter looks like. I'll go ahead and be adding water to it and then stir it till I get the oil on top. And when we get that, I'll go ahead and then continue with the soup. We do this so that we'll be able to cook the peanut butter very well, because if it is not well cooked, you may end up getting running tummy. That is why we do that. And now it is ready. I will just go ahead and then continue with the soup. Our proteins are also ready. I wanted to prepare the soup here, but I realized the pot was small for me, so I added some water to the peanut butter we fried earlier and then poured it in this cooking pot, added my proteins, and now we are going to allow the soup to cook very well, and before we add other ingredients. Okay, so whilst that was on fire, I am cooking some tomatoes and then some pepper and onions as well. When they are also ready, I'm just going to tell you what we are going to use those ingredients for. Thank you so much for your time. Have you liked this video? If you haven't, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red subscribe button or the follow button for more videos? It is free. I'll go ahead and then add some grilled mackerel, okay, or smoked mackerel. So I have a channel and the name is Recipe Goddess. I have the smoked mackerel recipe there, so please do well to check it out. I will pin the comment in the comment section. Click on that and then support me on that channel if you're interested in tree videos. Thank you so much for your time. Now the ingredients I told you earlier that we were boiling, which was the tomatoes, pepper, onion, that was what I blended and then added to the soup. Now the soup is doing so well. I'm not going to add any salt, anything that contains salt, because we have enough when we were steaming the fish and then the good meat. Just look at how delicious it looks. And the family paired this with some omotu, and oh my goodness, they really enjoyed it. Okay, it has been on fire for some time now, and just look at that. It looks so good already, but it is not ready. I added some pepper to it, and I'm just going to leave it on fire for some few extra minutes, and then I will get back to you. Please, I beg you, do not click out. Thank you so much. Now, this is how our soup is looking, and just look at that. Oh my goodness, so delicious, so yummy. And please try this recipe, and I know very well you will love it. Do not forget to love yourself first, take good care of yourself. Happy Sunday, and may the Lord abide with you. Bye bye.